Hello everybody, welcome to PMN Online. Here I will show you how to download Squarespace website code. Today, we're tackling a task that can seem daunting, but is incredibly useful, downloading the code from your Squarespace website. Whether you're considering migrating to a different platform, want to keep a backup of your site, or simply desire more control over your content, understanding how to export your site's code is essential. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have the knowledge you need to make your website's content portable and manageable. Let's break this down step by step to make it as easy as possible. To get started, you'll need to log into your Squarespace account. Once you're logged in, navigate to your website dashboard. Here you'll see a list of websites under your account. It's crucial to select the correct one, especially if you manage multiple sites. Double-checking this detail can save you from working on the wrong site. Once you've selected the right site, you're ready to proceed. On the left side of the screen, you'll find a menu pane with several options. Here, you'll want to click on Settings. Think of the Settings menu as the command center for your website. It houses everything from site details and billing information to, crucially, the options for importing and exporting content. Once you're in the Settings menu, you'll need to scroll down to find the section labeled Import and Export. Depending on your site's theme or recent updates from Squarespace, the exact location of this option might vary slightly. Don't rush through this step. Take your time to scroll and locate it. Once you find it, click on Export. This step is pivotal. It's where you initiate the download of your site's content. Squarespace makes this part fairly straightforward. After clicking Export, you'll see several options. For most users, especially those planning to transfer content to a different platform, selecting WordPress is advisable. Squarespace exports content in a format that WordPress can easily interpret, simplifying the migration process considerably. After choosing WordPress as your export type, Squarespace will begin generating an export file containing your website's pages, posts, images, and other elements in a WordPress-friendly format. This process may take a few moments, particularly if your site is rich with content. Patience is key here. Squarespace is diligently packaging everything up for you. As the export proceeds, you might be prompted to select which blog or collection to include in the export. If your site contains multiple blogs or sections, you'll need to choose the ones you want to export, or repeat this step for each section individually. This gives you the flexibility to include just the content you need without exporting unwanted parts. A download link will appear. Click on this link to save the file to your computer. It's wise to store it in a safe, easily accessible location, like your desktop or a dedicated folder. This way, the file is ready for upload to WordPress or for use as a backup whenever you need it. And there you have it. You've successfully exported your Squarespace website code, making it accessible and ready for whatever future plans you have in mind. If any issues arise, retrace the steps to ensure no details were overlooked. Small things like the selected blog can influence the process. Thanks for watching. If this guide helped you with how to download Squarespace website code, subscribe to PMN Online for more easy-to-follow tutorials.